So what's empowering innovation Ericsson is, and there's something nice and interesting that I happen to see here from Ericsson is this Rocky. Rocky is a robotic dog, as you can see, and this is a 5G robotic dog, and it does a quite amazing job. What does it do? Well, you have quite a many security commands that are given to Rocky, and Rocky senses it with the router that's placed there, and even the camera on the top of this robot. Rocky is just saying hello to you there. You just saw that. And what does it do? Well, it senses a kind of an issue in the house or wherever the place is. If there's a fire, you could see Rocky actually going to the fire and telling and sending a signal that there's fire in the house, and senses this very, very clearly. Also, that's just not about fire. There's what's fed in and what's been told to be actually safeguard the house. The other thing that you can see here is the breakage in the fence that you can see. It's been tampered. So Rocky could actually sense this and also go towards the fence and tell you that yes, there is a problem, and send out a signal that there's a security issue. Well, whatever you feed in there is what the kind of response that you get here. Even for some workers, when they work, there are some important things that are missing. If they're not wearing it, Rocky actually senses that also and tells and sends a signal that this is missing. So this is a kind of innovation that's done by Ericsson. This is a 5G robot that actually acts as a security and a safeguarding dog for your premises, and you need to feed in and give in the commands to it, and accordingly it reads, senses it, and sends the signal. So yes, if you don't have a real dog, Rocky will do all the job with you, and that's the magic of the tech robotic dog here. Isn't that interesting and amazing?